Hello, welcome back with a new drawing. Today we are going to draw a simple gear. You can see on the picture there's a simple gear with the one hole with key. There's a outer diameter is 165 mm, is addendum, and the pitch is 155 mm, and the total teeth is 31, and there's a one slot with key is 12 mm thickness. So let's start. First of all, we are going to choose a plane and select the circle with a diameter of 165 mm. Is the outer diameter, is called addendum, is radial height. And there is another circle with the diameter of 142.5 mm, is the addendum, is a radial depth, and the pitch circle diameter is 155 mm. Now we are going to draw some reference line. The teeth thickness is 12 by 6 mm. So first of all, we are going to trim the upper line, select the line, and one side of upper thickness width 2.5, and again the same is another side 2.5. Cancel the relationship, trim the bottom line, again select the line, and the bottom side of thickness width is total 12 mm. So one side length 6 and another side length is also 6, so total 12 mm. Yeah, it's done. Cancel the relationship. Now going to arc command, select the 2 point of tooth, and we are going to do radius is 20 degree. The one side of tooth curve is ready, so we are going to do the mirror command. Select the curve, select the center line, and our mirror has been done. Now we are going to trim some upper line, the both side, and also trim the unnecessary line of down, and do some extend the line. You can see our tooth is ready, and we are going to cut the pitch diameter line. Now we are going to pattern curve, select the curve, the 3 line, select the specify point of center, and you can see our drawing. We have 31 teeth on the gear. The 31 gear, apply, and our front view is ready of gear. Now we are going to extrude this cage. The thickness is 25 mm. Apply. You can see our extrude has been done. Now there is a one slot and one circle on the gear, so we are going to do the circle with the diameter of 45 and select the line, though the line is length of 26, sorry, the 26.5. Yeah, 26.5, and the thickness of the key is 12 mm, so we are going to offset. We are going to offset the offset curve. Select the line, and distance is 6 mm, so 12 mm, 6 and 6 both side. Connect the line and trim the unwanted line, and one side of line is not connected. Now we are going to extend this line and trim the unwanted line of inside the circle, and our circle and slot is ready. Now we are going to subtract this sketch from the gear. The distance is 25, but we are going to do the 30 mm, so subtract, and you can see our result is ready. Now we are going to hide the sketch line, and you can see our simple gear is ready with 31 teeth with key. Thank you for watching, and is any question, please comment below.